Hey, welcome to How's It Channel. In today's lesson, we will teach you how to remove spaces between words in Word for macOS. Open your Word document. There are a few ways to do it. The first one is very easy and quick. Select the text you need. Click on Align Left under the Paragraph category. Easy, right? You can also delete spaces another way. Select the text you need. Click on Edit at the top menu bar. Select Find and Replace from the list. Type 2 spaces in the Find field and type 1 space in the Replace With field. Click on Replace All and OK. Done! So here's the last way how to remove spaces between words. Click on the tab symbol. You can see tab characters. Put the mouse pointer before it and press Delete on your keyboard to remove it. If you have too many of them, you can use the Replace option. Select the text you need. Click on Edit at the top menu bar. Select Find and Replace from the list. Paste the symbol into the field. Leave the Replace field empty. Click on Replace All and OK. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day.